diverse and fascinating group of warm-blooded vertebrates belonging to the class Aves. They are characterized by feathers, beaks, such as ostriches, emus, and penguins have evolved for running or swimming instead. Birds have highly efficient respiratory and circulatory systems, allowing them to sustain energy-intensive activities such as long-distance migration and high-speed flight. Many species migrate seasonally, traveling thousands of miles to breed or find food. Arctic terns, for example, undertake the longest migration of any bird, flying between the Arctic and Antarctic each year. Communication among birds is highly complex, involving vocalizations, body language, and even intricate songs. Some species, such as parrots and crows, are capable of mimicking human speech and using problem-solving skills. Birds also play essential roles in ecosystems by controlling insect populations, dispersing seeds, and pollinating flowers. Reproduction in birds involves laying eggs, which are usually incubated by one or both parents until hatching. Nests vary widely in structure, from simple ground scrapes to elaborate woven constructions. Parental care is common, with many bird species feeding and protecting their young until they are ready to fly and survive on their own. Despite their adaptability, many bird species face threats from habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and hunting. Conservation efforts, such as protected reserves and breeding programs, are crucial in preserving endangered species like the California condor and the kakapo.